Hey, Marina. It's your boyfriend here, your bird friend, your intimate other, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the videos you've been posting lately. Yeah, I'm a little worried, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know quite how to put this, but I think we should see other people and birds. You birds, me people. We've been together a long time, and well, lately, you've just not been yourself. I think you might be, you know, busy in other ways, where your mind is somewhere else, like Crazyville? I don't know. I'm just wondering. I'm saying it aloud. It doesn't have to make sense. It's just, well, I used to love you, and now I don't want to have your baby anymore. Does that make sense? You're, you're lovely, but you've gone off the deep end, and my bird sense tells me I better go. And you better go. Okay, go. Go. Please go. Just go. Oh, thank you. Bye, Marina. We're breaking up. Yes, we're breaking up. I saw the videos. We're no more. Okay. It was good for me too while it lasted. Bye.